There's something special about a Ferrari. But the 458 Speciale? That's passion on four wheels. It's a machine born from decades of racing heritage. It's Ferrari distilled into its purest form. When a car like this rolls into the studio, it's not just detailing, it's preservation. Every curve, every vent, and every inch of the Rosso Corsa paint tells a story. So our job isn't just to protect it, it's to honour it. We've carried out full paint protection film installation across the entire vehicle. Not just to keep it flawless, but to ensure this piece of automotive art looks as breathtaking tomorrow as it does today. Because when you're working with a Ferrari, it's not just about the car. It's about passion, legacy, and treating every detail like it matters. Because it does.